Back these on the steps. Alright, we see a whole lot better this time because I brought a flashlight.
This is our utility room here.
Yep.
I'm gonna drop a floor plan of the basement.
Okay.
I want to finish the whole thing.
As long as we leave a good space for storage.
Well, yeah, this is such a beautiful basement. I mean,
I know.
the headspace is great. It's so big. We could do so much with this. It might split like that.
Mm-hmm.
So you can walk in, you have a nice wide door. Not here, because that's too close to the steps. So nice right here, you do a big wide door.
Okay.
So you can get machines in and out.
Mm-hmm.
And then you come into here, you've got your laundry room, you've got maybe an area to fold, store all of your laundry stuff right over here. Then in here, you walk in, you have another wide door to another room. This could be storage area.
Mm-hmm.
I cut it off. I'm not sure, where is the bathroom currently? It's over here.
Yeah. Bathroom and water was all on this side.
Okay, so then we're gonna actually do laundry room here, big bathroom here.
Okay.
Okay, potentially, or we'll see how it lays out. And then this whole space, you walk down from here all the way until
Just
as far
before.
as we can take it
Right.
into here, wall.
So
this is a whole
This will be our
downstairs family room.
rec room, family room with a big bathroom there. I like that. Windows, we got to put in just the
Blocks.
regular. I don't think blocks will work here.
What?